Good morning, dear students. Students, this is English worksheet number 2. Question number 1. Use the secret code given below to find the action word for each picture. Now, children, here you can see that the picture is, here you can see a lady here, and the numbers are given 3, 21, 20. And we need to find out the letter which is given. Here number 3. So 3 is C. Okay. So we are going to write down C. 21. 21 is here U. Okay. And 20 is T. So here cut. It's an action word. Okay. Then 19 S. 12 L. 5 E, again E, and 16 is P. So this is sleep. Okay. Now 12 is L, 21, 1 is A, 21 is U, 7 is G, and 8 is H. So laugh. Okay. Then 19 is S, 11 is K, 9 is I, and last one is P, that is skip. So cut, sleep, laugh and skip, they are all action words. Okay. Question number 2. Read the clues and write the answers. Use a, an or the before the word. Now children, this a, an or the, they are called as articles. Okay. A and the, a and an is used for singular things. Okay. An is used for vowel sounds. A is used for consonant sounds. And the is used for the particular things. Okay. Used to hit a ball, a bat. Yellow in color, you peel it to eat it. What is that, children? Banana. Okay, that's yellow in color. So, a banana. The holy book of Muslims. Okay, we have a holy books like in Hindu we have Ramayana. Okay, so Bhagavad Gita. That way Muslim follows a book that is Quran. Okay, but now children, there is only one Quran. Okay, so that will be the Quran. Okay, we are talking about a particular thing here, the Quran. A big bird that cannot fly. It's an ostrich. Okay, it's a big bird, but it doesn't fly. Now this is ostrich. So this is an ostrich. Okay, O is an vowel sound. An ostrich. The place where we see stars. Okay, that we are talking about a particular place there. Okay, where we see stars, that is sky, but the sky. Okay. Now, question number 3. Use suitable pronoun for the underlined noun and complete the sentence. We need to use a pronoun here, children. Pronoun are the words used in place of a noun. Okay. The moon looks bright and beautiful. Dash is full moon tonight. Now, in place of moon, we are going to write down a pronoun it. Okay, you know, for the things we use it. Today is Mala's birthday. Dash is wearing a new dress. Now for Mala, she's a girl. So for girl, we use the word she. She is wearing a new dress. Mrs. and Mr. Menon are going to London this evening. Now here we are talking about two people. So children, they have already packed their bags. The cookies are on the table. Now the cookies, plural. So, for more than one cookies, we are going to read. They are tasty. Okay. Sam came first in the race. Dash ran very fast. Now for a Sam is the boy. So we will use the pronoun he. He ran very fast. Question number 4. Write a conversation between you and a vegetable vendor. Now vegetable vendor, that means a person who sells vegetables. You. I did not see you yesterday, vegetable vendor. I was out for some work. Which vegetable do you want to buy? You can say that. I want to, whatever your favorite. I want to buy potatoes or lady's finger or anything, whatever you like. Okay. So vegetable vendor, yes, I have. You. Then you will say that I want 1 kg potatoes or 1 kg lady fingers. Then vegetable vendor will say yes I have. You will say I want to buy this. The vegetable vendor say it is 1 kg. How much do you want? You will say that I want 1 kg of lady's finger or potatoes. Then vegetable vendor will say, then you will ask that whether it is fresh or not. Okay, if you are talking about the vegetables, green leafy vegetables or lady's finger, then you will say whether they are fresh or not. Then vegetable vendor will say yes, they are fresh. In the morning only it has arrived, it has come. Then it is fresh only. And you will say, okay, I like this vegetable a lot. Give me 1 kg of lady's finger. Or today my mother wants to make lady's finger, my favorite vegetable she wants to make. Then this way you can continue. Okay children, so this you need to write on your own. Just think of you have gone to the market to buy vegetable and think what that shopkeeper, what that vegetable vendor will say to you and what will you respond. Okay. So that way you think and then you write it. Question number 5. Rewrite the following sentences using do not or does not. Now children, do not used for plurals generally and does not is used for singular. She watches television the whole day. So now she is singular here. So she does not watch. Now does is present tense, watches is also a present tense. So both the present tense will not come at one place. So if you use does, watches will become watch. She does not watch television the whole day. Children, you need to write the full sentence here, okay? I eat ice cream in winter. Now, children, you remember with I, we will not use does not. So, for I, we use I do not eat ice cream in winter. Then, he swims well. He, again it is singular, one person. So he does not, swims will become swim. He does not swim well. Next, they go to dance class. They, plural, okay. So they do not go, okay, do not go to dance class. It rains every day in my country. Again, it is a singular. So it does not, rains will become rain. It does not rain every day in my country. Okay. So children, these are the answers here. Okay? So, complete your worksheet, check your answers and study. Okay, children? So, that's all for today. Take care. Bye-bye.